This is kind of out of our typical video, but we are all things do-it-yourself. So this is our HP T120. It's the printer that we use to print all of our blueprints. Got some here. This printer works really well, actually, for all kinds of blueprint work, and we do offer blueprints, so it's a necessary part of our business. Normally we buy HP ink. We have looked into some of the cheaper inks. For example, I bought this Miru ink. The difference in price is crazy. This Miru ink, we bought two of these big 60 milliliter blacks, and it came with all three colors for $29. Whereas just this one tank is $70. This is a 38 milliliter. Anyway, we had some bad experience with the ink, the Miru ink. The color was off. It seemed to leak onto the papers and so forth, so we went back to HP. But the other day I put in a brand new HP cartridge and it literally exploded in the machine. And it leaked ink all over and basically disabled it. We took the printhead all apart, trying to see if we could fix it, but we just keep getting this message right here. It says there's a problem with the printer or ink system, turn the printer off, then on, and we've of course done all of that, and to no avail. We bought this straight from Hewlett-Packard. This is the HP Printhead replacement kit. What I like about this kit, after doing some research, is it comes with the printhead, but also 4 cartridges. We paid $269 for this kit, which seems like a lot, but this printer, I'm not even sure if we can get it anymore, and it's valuable to our business. So we're going to go ahead and give this a shot, even though I'm not sure if it's going to fix it, but let's dive in and see what it does. So in the kit itself, we have the printhead and our 4 inks. Put that there. Comes with some basic instructions, but I'm going to show you what I found with this unit. First thing we're going to do, we're going to turn the unit off. Once the unit's off, we can open this. I'll get you in there a little bit. So we need to move the printhead out to where we can get to it. We need to remove all the ink cartridges. Just going to set them right there for a minute. Then we can bring the printhead out so we can work on it. Now it has a little white lever. Can you see that right there? Just pull that up. That's going to release the printhead. Then you pull the printhead straight up. I don't know if you can see, but that was just completely full of ink from that ink blowing up. We've tried to clean it, but look at that mess. Took it all apart, but just keeps leaking, so look. Should have put on some gloves. Look at that now, though. Oh well. Okay. Here's our new printhead. 2023. 316. This is relatively new. That's good. Take our new printhead. Going to put it back into place. Just drops straight back in. And this lever goes back down. And let that start up. Close everything up. While that's starting, we'll get out our new inks. One or more cartridges is missing. Yes, all of the cartridges are missing. To avoid damage, don't just unplug it. That's what that says over there. So we have yellow, magenta, cyan or cayenne, not sure how to pronounce that, and black. Here's our new cartridges. Load our new cartridges into the printer. They recommend that when you're putting these in, you push here at the bottom to avoid damaging the spring assembly. And lastly, our black. Now that that has been accomplished, let's close the door, let it go through its startup procedure. It says checking cartridges. Okay, now that sounds different already, so I think we're going to be in business. Genuine HP ink cartridges installed. When the compressor that's inside the HP T120, when the compressor would try to pump up the cartridges, because these actually blow air into these cartridges through this hole, blows air into here, and that's what charges the printhead. When it would try to blow air, it was plugged because of all the ink. Even though we tried to clean it, never worked. And it appears that we're going to be back in business. Let's see what happens. It's aligning the printhead. That's a good sign. Definitely wasn't doing this before, so this is great. I'm thrilled that this is working. This has been a great printer. It takes the full 24-inch rolled paper, and we can just print our own blueprints right here on site. Love this printer. So happy it looks like it's working. I'm going to leave it run so you can see the whole process. going through an alignment process. 39% aligning the print head, it says. There it is. Our first sheet of paper successfully printed with our new print head. So if you have an HP T120, you're having some serious trouble, you can easily get this kit directly from HP. They actually overnighted it to us for free. We'll see you on the next video.